How to fix Messenger calls not showing up on your screen. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily fix if your calls have not been showing up on your Messenger screen. So what I'm talking about here is if someone calls you, then there is no notification or nothing on your screen which won't allow you to pick up the calls. So let's see how to fix that problem. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your app is up to date. So head over to your Play Store and open up search for Messenger. If you have an update button here, make sure to update the app. And once you do that, most of your problems should be fixed, because if you're running an older version of Messenger, there might be some bugs. And Messenger constantly brings out new updates for bug fixes, so make sure to update the app. And after that, you just want to hold on to your Messenger and tap on the eye icon to open up its settings. Now from here you want to head over to permissions and make sure all of these permissions are turned on, because the app requires them to run smoothly. And after you do that, just head over to storage and clear cache to clear out all of the junk files. And on battery, make sure that it's selected on optimized or unrestricted. And after you do that, just give your phone a quick restart, then you should be good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.